8 Practical Lessons from the Last Lecture. Lessons in Living by Randy Pausch. 1. Play the hand you're dealt. Instead of dwelling on what you lack, focus on making the most of your current circumstances. Turn challenges into opportunities and learn to appreciate the richness of life itself. 2. Spend time on people that matter. Prioritize building and nurturing relationships with loved ones. Quality time spent with family and friends brings lasting joy and fulfillment, far surpassing material possessions. 3. Dream big. Chase ambitions. Don't limit yourself by fear or doubt. Pursue your passions and chase your wildest dreams, even if they seem impossible at first. The journey itself is filled with valuable lessons and personal growth. 4. Never stop learning, growing, maintain a curious mind, and embrace lifelong learning. Explore new skills, challenge your assumptions, and keep acquiring knowledge that enriches your life and expands your perspectives. 5. Give back. Leave a legacy. Find ways to contribute to the greater good and make a positive impact on the world. Volunteer your time, share your talents, and inspire others to live purposeful lives. 6. Embrace adversity. Bounce back. Life throws curveballs, but resilience is key. Learn from setbacks, overcome challenges, and don't let disappointment define you. Every difficulty holds the potential for growth and transformation. 7. Time is your most valuable asset. Manage your time wisely and prioritize activities that align with your values and goals. Don't waste precious moments on regrets or unproductive pursuits. 8. Celebrate the little things. Find joy in the simple pleasures of life. Savor small victories, appreciate everyday moments, and cultivate a grateful heart. Happiness often lies in the ordinary, not the extraordinary. Remember, these are just a few insights gleaned from the last lecture. Randy Pausch's words offer an inspiring and practical perspective on living a fulfilling life, reminding us to focus on what truly matters: love, passion, and making a difference in the world. Take his lessons to heart and create your own last lecture worth remembering. Please like and subscribe to our channel Ideas to Inspire for more inspirational content. Thank you.